IELTS writing versus PTE writing, which is better? Now let's talk about now what happens in PTE. In writing, you have essay writing, you have summarized written text. Okay, but don't think that you get score from these two. You get score from reading, writing, fill-ups also, and you get score from write from dictation, which is in listening section. So in if you see PT writing from one angle, then you will see, oh, it is only summarized written text and essay. And essay, maybe you have a template, you just have to mug it up and then you have to type it. There is no other issue. You have to type that, and you have learned it already, so you just type and add 4 lines on your own and your PT essay is done. But hold there, because the score of writing comes mostly from reading, writing, fill-ups. So that means in your PT writing, you should, if you want to get good score in PT writing, then you should be also good at PT reading, writing, fill-ups, because the score is added in PT. That is the thing. And if you talk about one more thing, then there is listening one question whose scores are added in PTE writing, and that is write from dictation. Again, if your spellings are not good, then you are going to suffer a lot, because write from dictation contributes a lot. So this is the thing with PT writing. Some students say, oh, essay writing, it's easy and we just have to learn, but they forget that major contribution is from reading, writing, fill-ups and write from dictation. So that also needs to be better, otherwise you will not get good score in writing, and that is mostly what happens. Students don't get good score in PT writing if they are not careful about reading, writing, fill-ups and writing from dictation, because essay maybe you can learn the template. Okay, now if I talk about IELTS writing, yes, it requires efforts. You have to do 2 tasks. Task 1 is bar graph, line graph, pie chart, any can come. And in task 2, you have essay writing. And in this, you have to write on your own. You cannot use any template. You have to improve your writing skill. You have to improve your vocabulary, sentence structure, spellings. Though like PT, you don't get lot of score is not cut if you make some spelling errors. But in PT, if you make few spelling errors also, your scores, you go down with the scores. But in IELTS, writing, if you commit some spelling errors, then also it is fine. It's not a big deal. So I think you will take care of these things. So if I give my suggestion, then again, writing of PT and writing of IELTS, both are good. But if you are not good at reading, then in PT you can score low because of writing. So take care.